Today, we're diving into Google's latest release, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This phone is packed with a ton of new and exciting features, and we've got the top 20 that you need to know about. So let's get into it. 1. Ultrasonic Fingerprint Scanner. Let's kick things off with something really cool. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is the first non-Samsung phone in the US to feature an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Now, what's so great about it? Well, it doesn't need the screen to be lit up to work, which makes it super handy at night. 2. Super bright display. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Pixel 9 Pro XL now boasts a screen that can hit a whopping 3,000 nits of brightness. 3. More RAM for better AI. Google has also beefed up the RAM on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, adding 4 GB more to bring it to a total of 16 GB. This extra RAM is crucial for all those complex AI tasks. Some of that RAM is reserved just for on-device AI. 4. Faster charging. Speed is key, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL doesn't disappoint. It supports 37-watt fast charging, which is 7 watt more than its predecessor. With Google's new 45-watt charger, you can go from 0 to 70% battery in just 30 minutes. 5. Super Res Zoom for video. Remember how awesome Super Res Zoom was for photos? Now it's available for video too. You can zoom in up to 20x while recording and still get crisp photo, even the person taking the shot. 13. Gemini Live AI Voice Chat. Google is rolling out its own version of ChatGPT's voice chat called Gemini Live. You can have a full-on conversation with your phone, interrupting it, pausing, and picking up right where you left off. And the best part? You can do this even with your screen locked. The catch is it's only available for Gemini Advanced subscribers. But the good news is the Pixel 9 lineup comes with 1 year of Gemini Advanced for free. 14. Faster and smarter Gemini AI. Speaking of Gemini, it will be faster with the new Gemini 1.5 Flash model, offering better responses and fewer mistakes. It's also getting more extensions to work with apps like Keep, Tasks, and Google Calendar. Plus, Gemini can now give contextual replies based on what's on your screen. 15. Pixel Screenshots app. Pixel Screenshots is a feature that lets you easily save important info for later, like an event or location, just by snapping a screenshot. The phone processes the screenshot, grabs the relevant details, and stores them for easy access later. 16. Pixel Studio app. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also comes with the Pixel Studio app, which lets you generate images just by typing in a description. Want a picture of a sunset over the mountains? Just type it in and Pixel Studio will create it for you. 17. 7 years of OS updates. Google is promising 7 years of OS updates for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is up by 2 years compared to the Pixel 8 Pro. 18. Sleek new design. And let's not forget about the new design. The Pixel 9 Pro XL sports a fresh look with slim bezels, flat sides, and a new camera visor. 19. Improved repairability. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is also easier to repair thanks to a more modular design. 20. Battery life. Finally, the battery life has seen a slight improvement. While it's not a huge leap, the better optimization and faster charging make a noticeable difference in daily use. So there you have it, latest 20 amazing features of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. What do you think about it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Young also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.